waxaa kale oo oogyahay gabanayo anigana idin sheegaya qaxootiga la yiri repatriation baa lagu sameeyay oo farahoodii baa lahayaa la yiri oo beenta ah waan dhax galnay waan ku jirnaa boqolka qoyska ka badanba waa la sii daan doonaa wayna dhoofi doonaan kuwii ka imaaday kalbeey ka imaadayna way imaadaan inta waddadoodii waa loo dhamay war may maqashaan marka qaxooti dambe oo la dhahayo Soomaaliya ku noqoteen oo beenbeen ma jiri doonto boqolka qoys gabanayo wuu ogyahay waan iskala shaqeynhaynaa hawsha meel fiican bay gaaraysaa
boda hada waxaan ku noqdo wacha niseme kwa Kiswahili pia na media wasikie vizuri sisi from a long time ago from when I was governor first term mpaka wa leo we have been insisting on the border to be open. Tunashukuru Mungu kwamba serikali yetu imeona busara to accept that request wa watu wa North Eastern Province. We now know that tuko na border posts, about 3 of them will be opened soon and the rest will follow. What we want ni kwamba that Kenya border kama kile furo wakanda na mheshimiwa Farah maqlaysan halagu dadaalo security-ga. Border security is very important. Na hiyo jukumu si tu ya watu officers wa serikali. Sisi pia tuko na jukumu ya kulinda usalama. Marka security-ga border kama kile furo yuna halali. So sasa border ka fura hadu wala fura haya. markii la furo hadana yana laga xilin anaga asaalayn marka security-giisa ku dadaala lazima tufanye bidii tuhakikisha kwamba security ya border ikifunguliwa we also make sure kwamba we protect the security, we support na tuwasaidie officers wa security national government upande wa kulinda usalama. Hapa kuna wandugu zetu kutoka different institutions. I can see here my friend Mr. Gee and Madam Sarah also kutoka UNHCR. Watu wasimama kidogo wasalimia watu. Why don't you stand and say and just wave? You are very, very important people to the community here. Wa UNHCR and also kuna hapa WFP members, IOM pia wako hapa, other agencies wako hapa. We are all working towards the good service to both refugees and host community. Kwa hivyo, Mr. Gee, now that we are talking about a municipality for Dadaab, we want full support. Once we have that municipality coming on board, we need UNHCR and the other agencies to give us full hand in terms of ensuring that the host community also benefits. In any case, we know that we are working together matters GISIDEP, and here nafikiri it will be a matter of good support.